got 10 minutes and leftover rice. Let's turn it into better-than-takeout Shrimp Teriyaki Fried Rice. On a plate, add the deveined shrimp. Salt. It enhances flavor and lightly firms up the shrimp. White pepper. It adds aroma. And cornstarch. Do you always end up overcooking the shrimp? This light cornstarch coating creates a thin protective layer that keeps them tender and juicy. Mix until evenly coated. Add the cooking oil. Mix well. Cut the onion, scallions, and garlic. In a bowl, crack 2 eggs and lightly beat them. Let's make the teriyaki sauce. Combine soy sauce, sake, mirin, and sugar. Do you like your teriyaki sauce sweeter or more savory? Drop a comment, I'd love to hear from you. You can use either fresh steamed rice or overnight rice. For softer texture, use a 1:1 rice to water ratio, slightly less water than usual. After cooking, spread it out and let it air dry for at least 15 minutes. For separated, chewier grains, my go-to, use overnight rice straight from the fridge. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, add the shrimp. Add the minced garlic and stir fry until lightly pink for about 1 minute. Remove the shrimp from the wok. In the same wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add the onion and carrot. Stir fry for about 30 seconds. Remove. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add the eggs, and scramble until partially set. Add the rice and stir fry until each grain is separated for about 1 minute. Return the shrimp and vegetables to the wok or in the teriyaki sauce and toss quickly. Lastly, add the scallions. You only need 10 minutes to make the perfect teriyaki fried rice that beats any takeout. You can also pair with my egg drop soup for a complete cozy meal. If this looks good to you, tap like follow for more quick, better-than-takeout Asian recipes. For even more tested food-proof dishes, check out my cookbook in the description. Thank you so much for watching.